Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of international finance, specifically a platform called airwallex. Now, if you're a business owner or freelancer who deals with overseas clients or payments, you know the struggle of managing different currencies and navigating international transactions. airwallex aims to simplify that process, but there's one question that often pops up: is there a minimum deposit to get started? The good news: no minimum deposit. Let's get this out of the way first. The answer is no. There's no minimum deposit required to open an airwallex account. That's right, you can sign up completely free of charge. This is fantastic news because it allows you to explore the platform's features, get a feel for the interface, and see if it suits your needs before committing any funds. But wait, there's more: about limits. While there's no initial hurdle to jump over, it's important to understand that airwallex accounts might have deposit limits. Now, these limits aren't always set in stone. Many accounts have no restrictions on how much you can deposit or collect funds. However, there can be exceptions depending on your specific situation. Here are a few things that could affect your deposit limits. Account type: airwallex offers different account types catering to various business needs. Some basic accounts might have lower deposit limits compared to premium options. Location: depending on your business location and the currency you're dealing with, regulatory restrictions might come into play, impacting deposit amounts. Transaction history: this is a bit less common, but if you're a new user with no previous transaction history, airwallex might implement temporary limitations until they get to know your business activities better. Finding out your deposit limits. So, how do you find out if your account has a deposit limit? The easiest way is to check your airwallex dashboard. It should display your current account capabilities and any applicable available deposit limit. If you're unsure or can't find the information, don't hesitate to reach out to airwallex's customer support team. They're happy to clarify any limitations and potentially help you increase them if necessary. Beyond deposits, fees to consider. While the lack of a minimum deposit is a plus, it's important to remember that airwallex does have fees associated with its services. These can include transaction fees, charges for sending or receiving international payments, which can vary depending on the currency and transfer method. Foreign exchange (FX) fees: when converting between currencies, airwallex applies a margin on the exchange rate. Local payout fees: depending on the location and currency, there might be additional charges for withdrawing funds to your local bank account. The takeaway: explore freely, but be mindful of fees. The good news is, you can explore airwallex entirely free of charge. There's no minimum deposit to hold you back from signing up and checking out the platform. However, keep in mind that deposit limits might exist based on your specific account type and location. Additionally, transaction fees, FX margins, and local payout charges are part of the equation. Final thoughts. airwallex offers a convenient solution for managing international finances, and the lack of a minimum deposit is a great starting point. However, before diving headfirst, familiarize yourself with the potential fees and any deposit limitations that might apply to your account. Call to action. Have you tried airwallex? What are your experiences with international payment platforms? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on navigating the exciting world of business finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.